She's a pig.
Hello. So what I have in the bowl right here is 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour. Now I have a little assistant here. Assistant, can you put a little bit of salt in? I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. Yeah, a little more. A couple dashes of salt. And then we have boiling water. So 1.5 cups, I'm gonna start with a quarter cup of water. That should maybe. Okay, so I have a quarter cup. Oh, just wait, assistant, wait. I'm going to start mixing. All right, so we definitely need more. I'm gonna have my assistant here, who is taking the bowl out of range. Okay, assistant, can you pour this? It's very hot, so be very careful. Don't touch the water. All right, and stir. It's really important to use boiling water. And I'm going to put in another quarter cup. Whoa, I have my second assistant in the background who is kind of project managing. So I'm going to put in another quarter cup. One more. All right, will you stir?
Stir. I need a good stirring.
So we've already put in 4 quarter cups. Put in 1 cup. We even need more. All right, there's one more. Okay.
Keep stirring.
Just stir a little bit more, and then I'm gonna I'll have my other assistant having some puffs in the chair. All right, assistant 1. All right, so you want to stir until you start forming a dough. A dough. And we're using whole wheat flour, which if you go to an Indian grocery store, it's probably, you can ask for maida, M-A-I-D-A, maida. So here we go. We've got a dough that's already forming. And we're gonna add some oil. So always hot water. If you can make, heat up some oil, that's great. Otherwise, you could just use room temperature oil.
It's getting sweet. It's getting sweet.
All right, so my dough is a little wet. You can see, we want to just form a nice dough. So once we form a dough, then we're gonna let it rest for some time. But I'm gonna add a little bit more flour because we added too much water. It looks like about another quarter cup of flour. No, please don't move it yet. Please don't move it yet. Okay, this is not, you cannot stir this anymore. Okay. All right, so one thing to be really careful, that the dough is extremely hot. So if this is the one part now that you should not let children help out, is when you have to actually touch the dough, because it can kind of burn them because you put boiling hot water in.
Then hot.
Now the oil is not hot, but the water was very hot. So you can see I'm going almost to dough. So now I've done some with the spoon, and I'm just gonna knead it for a moment.
I hope so.
And you'll feel, all right, you can touch it, but see how hot it is. Is the dough hot?
Nope.
No? Okay. And it should be soup. You're gonna notice that with that hot water, it's going to be a very soft dough. It's very hot, right? My assistant here is telling me now that it is very hot dough. All right, so the dough is just put together.
Have you put it in?
Okay, and I think I'll add a little bit more flour. Just a little, because it feels just a tad wet. It should feel like a nice soft dough. So here I'm gonna do
soft.
So you just want to do some soft kneading.
Soft dough.
Soft dough. That's right.
I want to make it.
No, I'm gonna ask that you not touch it because it's very hot. Okay? So I'm gonna ask that you not touch this.
I want to help you.
I know you want to help, but if you touch it again, is it hot?
Oh.
Alright, it is very hot, the dough. It's really important here that you just don't let little kids start playing and telling you what to do, because this is very hot dough.
Yeah.
They can help with pouring. They can help with adding. Oh, I have a protest from my other assistant here. But now we've got a soft dough. So the thing is, we just want to cover this with a wet cloth. You can see it's just so soft. And that's what the hot water does. We're going to cover this, and in 30 minutes, we're going to actually roll out. So you can check out my next video of how to actually roll out this dough. So we're just gonna let it be. You wanna give it a touch?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna let this be for about 30 minutes. You can let it rest for even longer, but 30 minutes is the minimum.